Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use DeepSeek version 3. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here at deepseek.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of DeepSeek where we can get started. So first things first guys, to be able to use DeepSeek version 3, we are going to need an account. So what you can do guys is click the Start Now button right here, so you can see free access to DeepSeek version 3 where you can experience the intelligent model. So if you click right here, it's going to open up a new page where you can get started registering for an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the chat of DeepSeek, where we can get started with using it. So guys, you have two options. You can either use it online on deepseek.com, as you can see, you can get started with chatting to DeepSeek version 3, or you can use the API platform to run DeepSeek locally on your computer. So if you want to run it locally on your computer, click API in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this dashboard right here. You can take a look at everything as well as your API keys. So right here at the left side screen, you can find the API keys that you can use for DeepSeek. So you can go ahead and create new API keys that you can add to your programs on your computer locally to start using DeepSeek. If you need more help with that, we have other videos showing you how to run DeepSeek locally. But basically, you're going to have free access to DeepSeek version 3 right here, or you can go ahead and pay and use the API platform to run it locally. So you have those two ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.